Once upon a time, in a quiet village, a 7-year-old boy named Rohan sat beneath a large mango tree outside his home. The afternoon sun filtered softly through the leaves as he played alone, drawing shapes in the dirt with a stick. Suddenly, 2 bright butterflies fluttered past him, their wings sparkling in the sunlight like tiny rainbows. Rohan's eyes lit up. He jumped to his feet and began chasing them with excitement. He ran left, then right. He leaped over stones, stumbled, and laughed. The butterflies danced teasingly around him, close enough to tempt him, but never close enough to catch. Hours passed. Morning turned into afternoon, and his laughter slowly turned into frustration. Finally, just as the sun began to sink behind the trees, one butterfly landed softly on a small flower. Rohan tiptoed forward and gently cupped his hands around it. He smiled triumphantly. But the moment he opened his palms to admire it, the butterfly took off again, gone in an instant. Defeated, Rohan sat on the ground, breathing heavily. Dirt smeared his knees, and a tear rolled down his cheek. At that very moment, an old gardener walked by, carrying pots filled with colorful flowers. He stopped and looked at the tired little boy. "What are you doing here all day, son?" he asked kindly. "I was trying to catch those butterflies," Rohan replied, "but they would not stay with me. Even when I catch one, it flies away again." The old man smiled gently. "And what will you do with the butterflies once you catch them?" "I want to keep them with me at home," Rohan said innocently. The gardener nodded thoughtfully. Then he handed Rohan small flower pots and said, "Take these home. You will see something magical." Soon Rohan was puzzled. "But what will happen?" "You will find out tomorrow," said the old man, walking away with a mysterious smile. That evening, Rohan planted the flowers carefully in his small garden. The next morning, as sunlight touched his face, Rohan ran outside, and what he saw made his eyes widen with wonder. The butterflies he had chased so desperately the day before were now all around him, not because he ran after them, but because he created a place beautiful enough for them to come on their own. That day, little Rohan learned a truth most adults spend their whole lives searching for. You see, in life, the more we chase, the more those butterflies seem to drift away. Why? Because we forget the most important truth. Attraction always follows value. The world does not reward those who run fastest. It rewards those who grow strongest from within. So, remember, do not chase people, success, or happiness. Become the kind of person who naturally attracts them. When you focus on improving yourself, the world has no choice but to notice. Value yourself, and everything else will begin to value you too.